Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure both devices are already signed into the same Apple ID and on a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Photos. Enable iCloud Photos on your iPhone and then on your iPad. This action tells Apple to begin uploading and syncing your library across devices. Make sure both devices stay connected to power if you have a large library. Uploading can take hours. Also confirm iCloud storage has space so uploads won't pause. Next, handle the middle details that control how photos transfer. On each device, decide between optimized storage or download originals so you avoid filling local storage. This affects whether full-res photos are on device or only in iCloud. Then, check Photos' cellular data options to allow uploads on cellular if you want immediate syncing without Wi-Fi. Make sure shared albums or My Photo Stream options are set if you rely on those features, since they use different syncing rules, and finally verify the sync by opening Photos on both devices and looking for the same recently added items. Give iCloud time to finish uploads and downloads. If syncing seems stuck, restart both devices and check iCloud storage in Settings. Lack of space often blocks sync. As a targeted fix, sign out of your Apple ID on one device, then sign back in, or toggle iCloud Photos off and on to force reindexing. If problems persist, check network quality and Apple system status.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.